Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I lost my account earlier last week, my proper account. I've been idle since then, not really been idle, been in self-reflection, learning, and all of that. So today I saw a setup. I decided to put in my own personal money, you know, to it, and yeah, it's a cent account, not really a dollar account with HFM market. And I really recommend that for anyone who doesn't have much capital to start. So you can deposit $10, like that's a 1,000 cents, and trade it like a $1,000 full experience. So yeah, without much talk, let's get to it and show you guys how we take the trade, what made us take the trade, and how it's playing out. Okay. All right. Here is a trade. Sorry, I take my trade on a 5 minutes time frame. Sorry about the noise here. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and clear out all of this. Yes, I'll clear out all of this now. Then I explain why I take the trade. Okay, first of all, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. This is where I mark my daily market structure. How When I mean daily market structure, I don't mean on a daily time frame. I mean what the market structure perceived to be today. Okay, so as you can see, we were heavy on downtrend, higher high. We put on a higher low, a lower high, and then we broke through this high here, which is what I call a change of character. Or CHOCH. That's chalk. Okay, this is my change of character. This indicates to me that price has gone bullish. So what do? I wait for price to come back to my discount zone here. I waited for price to come back to my discount zone, and then I buy. So by the way, this is my fib settings. These are the levels I use, especially the 0.786 level. So the moment price got back to my fib setting, I took it, I marked this level of support here. And yes, I incorporate support and resistance to my strategy. I trade SMC though, but it's basically support and resistance after all. So price got back to my support level, which piqued my interest. And the next thing I get to do is watch out for my liquidity sweep. Well, most people get confused about liquidity a lot because there's liquidity everywhere in the market. The one I personally use is internal trend lines, session highs and low, which is this. This is why this indicator is there. All right, so if we understand that price came back down to our discount, our support here, okay, and this is Asia high. All we need to know is find out why, if the Asian high is being taken out. Okay, so as you can see here, the Asian low has been cleared completely. A very clean sweep of liquidity here from the London taking away it, declaring its liquidity on the Asian low here, and the Asian high as well. Yeah, this is why I took a counter trend trade. We knew that price swept Asian high first. I knew price was going to sweep Asian low. So I decided to take a little scalp here. Up here. This was my first trade. And that gave me about 1:4. And I targeted Asian low. Yeah, it gave me about 1:4. But that's not the trade I want to explain here. So let's go to the main. So normally I would have taken this long here, but we both know that there is a liquidity sitting below here. After price swept Asian high first, I knew that Asian low cannot be left, or it's almost always not left unswept. So I waited for price to come back down and sweep the Asian low. So I needed another change in state of delivery. But price kept on moving and moving and moving until it cleared this liquidity up here completely. This is what I used as my change in state of delivery on a smaller time frame. After that, I was not eager to buy because, like I said, this is another level of support and it's rightly below the Asian low. So I waited for price to come back and sweep the Asian low completely before I got an entry here. After clearing the liquidity on the Asian low, I entered my long and I set my targets here at the overall high I'm targeting. So guys, this was how we were able to take that trade. So let me recap this. Price changed character from bearish to bullish on a 15 minutes time frame. It came to my discount zone and respected my support, take out the internal liquidity, which is this internal trend line, and cleared out session liquidity as well. Then and gave us a change in state of delivery, which is this line here. Then we entered longs. So here is where the trade currently sits. I'm targeting this particular highs here. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys updated on the next time we hit TP. Okay? By the way, I'm already on break even. So peace out. See you guys.